Hi there, I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to learn very interesting thing, that is how to type Urdu in Adobe Illustrator. By typing Urdu, you can create Urdu posts in Adobe Illustrator easily. So let's get started. Firstly, we will install Pak Urdu keyboard. If you have this keyboard or any other, then you can skip this part. Otherwise, follow this procedure. Type Pak Urdu installer in Google. And then I'm clicking on this first link here. Now we will download the file from this website. After downloading, go back to the folder where you have downloaded it. Extract the file. Then open the folder and install it. This is already installed in my laptop. Now you can see in the taskbar, English is appeared. To activate the Urdu keyboard, you have to press Shift plus Alt. It will be changed into Urdu. You can toggle between Urdu and English with this short key Shift plus Alt. Now Pak Urdu is installed in our PC or laptop. Let's move to Illustrator to check out the Urdu typing. Let's try to type in Urdu. Anything, whatever you want. You can see our Urdu keyboard is working in Adobe Illustrator very well. So I'm typing Pakistan. Now I want to tell you one important thing is that, for example, if you have activated the Urdu keyboard successfully and while typing Urdu in Illustrator, you can face this problem that it types something like this, like separate alphabets. Then what you will do, you have to change the type setting. Just go back to Edit, then Preference, and then choose the type option. You have to choose Index option instead of East Asian option. And type again. You can see it is working properly. You can also download different Urdu font styles from the font website to make your Urdu poster beautiful. You can change the color of text or background. You can also apply the different graphic styles on it. Just go to Window, choose the option of graphic style library. There are so many options. I am selecting 3D effects. Choose any effect from here and it will be applied on your text. But before applying any effect, text should be selected. I hope this video will be useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.